Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I made these rustic Edison light fixtures. If you like what you see, please subscribe and give the video a like and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of the project. Links to the lights I used for this can be found in the description. Let's get started. I started off by making a 3D model to make sure I would have enough room to attach the fixture to the wall and to drill holes for the wire to go through. I then went outside to cut down a 2x3 to the proper length. You can easily make two of these light fixtures with a single 2x3. When cutting the angled pieces, I cut a 45-degree angle on the miter saw and measured so the longest side would be 12 inches long. Make sure you cut the miters in the right direction so the piece fits in place properly when assembled. With the help of some clamps, I fastened the 12-inch straight piece to the 14-inch piece so there was a 1.5-inch space at the top. I then marked off where the wire for the lights will go on the top, the side, and the angled cut pieces. I put a Forstner bit in the drill and drilled out the holes. I could have used the drill press for this, but I wanted to show that it could be done with much simpler tools as well. I did the same thing with the pieces I cut the miter into, that way the wire can be threaded through the back and it can sit flush against the wall. With all the holes drilled out, I threaded the wire for the light fixture through the holes and fastened the rest of the fixture together. The only thing left to do was sand and stain. A trick that helped me thread the wire through some of the holes was to tie a string around the end and pull that through. Was not comfortable taking out the old fixtures, but I was comfortable wiring them to an old extension cord to test out how they look, and I love how they came out. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe and leave a comment letting me know what you think of the project. Thank you again for watching.